morning students. Now we will be conducting the experiment on three-phase circuits. So first we will be seeing the relationship between the line voltage and phase voltage for a star connected load. So before starting the experiment we will be looking into the different components of the circuit here. So this is the panel wherein we are measuring the different parameters like line voltage, phase voltage, line current and phase current. So as already discussed in the theory part here, we have derived that IL will be equal to I phase, but VL will be equal to root 3 V phase. So this is the inference which we will be seeing at the end of the experiment. So these are the set of connections which are taken from the supply here. This is called as auto transformer, and we are using a variac here to vary the voltage from 0 to 440 volts. Okay. So when I start the experiment, I'll just show you how to vary this knob. So we are keeping this voltage to 440 volts because it's a three-phase voltage. So this is called as auto transformer, and it is having two different terminals here. So the lower terminals will tell you it is the input side which has to be given to the supply of the panel here, and the upper terminals will tell you that is the output part which has to be connected to the different parameters like line voltage and line current. And this particular device is your load. Here we are using the resistance load. Typically it's a resistive load, and we have a set of connections here. You can see it has two rows. The load is having a connection of two rows, R1, Y1, B1, and this is having B2, R2, Y2. So this one we can connect in different fashions. When we are doing the star experiment, we are connecting in the star fashion, and when we are going to the delta experiment, we are connecting in the delta fashion. Now we will be looking into the connections one by one. So first we are to understand the connections in a simple way, we are just dividing this set of connections into three easy steps. The first step is the connection of the supply to the panel board. The second step is the connection of the output of the auto transformer to the voltage and line parameters, and the third step is the connection of the load either in the star connection or delta connection fashion. So coming to the first step, we will go for the connection from auto transformer to the supply here. It's very simple. Connect R to R, then connect Y to Y, then connect B to B, then connect the neutral to neutral. So this is the first step. Just connect the respective terminals R by B and neutral. Coming on to this voltage and line parameters connection. So line voltage has to be measured. So this one we are connecting across the output side here. So VL positive, you connect it to the R here. We can connect between any two lines, RY or YB or RB. So here we are connecting with respect to R and Y. So neutral you connect it to the Y here. Right. So next V phase is one which is measured across the load. So before connecting V phase, we will connect I phase here. So positive you give it to one of the line, and the negative you give it to the load. So since you are connected to R terminal, here also in the load you can give it to R1 itself. So next coming to the phase voltage. So V phase has to be connected between one line and neutral. I am giving it to one of the line here. And the negative of the V phase you give it to the neutral point at the load. So this is the second set of connections. We have connected the VL to supply, we have connected IL across the supply and load, and V phase across the load to measure the phase voltage. So here I am not connecting the phase current, since if I connect this also, IL and I phase will read the same value. In case of star connection, IL will be equal to I phase. So I am just leaving this connection, assuming that IL will be same as I phase. Coming to the load connections, we have to connect the load in the star fashion. So it's a very simple connection. You have to short the lower row here horizontally. So if you can short Y2 to R2 and B2 to R2. So this is I have shorted here. So this tells you the neutral point which is created in the star connection, that is the ending terminals of different phases have been shorted, and as I told you, the negative of the phase voltage is given to neutral point. So you can connect this wire to any one of these, I connect it to B2. Next, remaining the line terminals you have to connect it to the supply here. So you connect Y1 to Y and B1 to B. So this is the set of connections for your to measure the relation between VL and V phase of a star connected system. So now I will be switching on the supply. So this is MCB, you have to switch it on, and you have to switch on this switch to see the readings across all these meters. So you can gradually increase the auto transformer knob, so that you have to look into this line voltage, and you have to increase the knob here. So you can see, as you are increasing the line voltage, the value is increasing here, right? So you have to increase up to the value of 400 volts. So increase the knob until 400 volts. Yes. So now once you keep this voltage, line voltage in 400 volts, you can start giving the values of the load over there. So I'll be giving switching on one load here. Now when you switch on one load, you look into the current consumption here. You can see line current is measuring a value of 0.33 amperes. So for that corresponding values, line voltage we have set it to 400 volts, and the phase voltage it is coming 231 volts. These readings you have to tabulate in your tabular column. So this is the first set of readings. Similarly, I will be giving one more reading here. So for the second set of readings, the current taken from the supply, it is increased to 0.665 amps, and the voltage remains the same. For all the set of readings, how many set of readings you take, the line voltage is 400 volts itself, and the phase voltage is 231 volts itself. So similarly, you can proceed for taking 4 to 5 sets of readings, and you can verify in the tabular column such that VL and V phase should be differing by a factor of √3. So this is the about the verification of VL and V phase in a star connected 3-phase star connected system. Thank you.